What's up, everybody, and welcome to another episode of It's Howling Time with the Howling Wolf. Here, gonna give you selections for July 1st, 2023. The track that I'm gonna be giving you is gonna be Los Alamitos, the Daytime Beat, the Thoroughbreds. I'm gonna be giving you my top 3 selections for each race, plus my early and late pick 4 plays. And you can use my selections of each race in an exacta box. But before I get things started, I want to remind you, if you guys want to see most of my selections, if I don't broadcast them live, go to And There They Go Facebook page and you can see my selections there. So let's get things started. For the first race, it is a starter allowance class going a mile distance for a $22,000 purse. For my top selection, it is my best bet of the day. It is going to be the number 5, Simba Warrior, at morning line odds of 8-5. My second choice, it is the number 3, Grandia Flavor, at morning line odds of 5-2. And for my third choice of race number 1, it is the number 2, Next Revolt, and morning line odds of 3-1. For the second race, it is a claiming class going 5.5 furlongs on the dirt for a $20,000 purse. For my top selection of race number 2, it is going to be the number 1, Cantaran, and morning line odds of 2-1. My second choice, it is going to be the number 4, Fast Percy, and morning line odds of 8-5. And for my third choice, it is going to be the number 3, Gator Shine, and morning line odds of 5-2. For the third race, it is a maiden special weight class going 6.5 furlongs for a $45,000 purse. For my top selection of race number 3, it is going to be the number 2, Mind and Find, at morning line odds of 6-5. My second choice, it is going to be the number 5, Tiff and Jim, at morning line odds of 2-1. And for my third choice, it is going to be the number 3, Kimberly's Devil, at morning line odds of 20-1. For the fourth race, it is a maiden claiming class going 6 furlongs for a $23,000 purse. For my top selection of race number 4, it is going to be the number 6, O'Banion, at morning line odds of 2-1. My second choice is going to be the number 2, Mount Zeron, at morning line odds of 7-2. And pardon me if I mispronounce the names of the horses. And for my third selection, it is going to be the number 5, Laura's Kiddo, at morning line odds of 20-1. For the fifth race, it is a maiden claiming class going 7 furlongs for a $20,000 purse. For the fifth race, it is my price bet of the day. It is going to be the number 4, Dance Till 10, at morning line odds of 5-1. My second choice, it is going to be the number 1, Bluegrass Rider, and money line odds of 2-1. And for my third choice, it is going to be the number 5, Carp Beldum, and money line odds of 8-5. For the 6th race, it is a starter allowance class going 5.5 furlongs for a $16,000 purse. For my top selection of race number 6, it is going to be the number 3, Kalinga Hills, and morning line odds of 7-2. My second choice, it is going to be the number 6, Blooming, and morning line odds of 8-1. And for my third choice, it is going to be the number 1, Tropicana Girl, and morning line odds of 3-1. For the 7th race, it is a maiden claiming class going 6 furlongs for a $29,000 purse. For my top selection of race number 7, it is the number 7, Dark Marcus, and morning line odds of 7-2. My second choice, it is going to be the number 8, Tom Horn, and morning line odds of 2-1. And for my third choice, it is going to be the number 6, Lug on the Wind, and morning line odds of 5-1. For the 8th race, it is a maiden special weight class going 5 furlongs for a $45,000 purse. For my top selection of race number 8, it is going to be the number 8, Flamina, and morning line odds of 5-2. My second choice, it is going to be the number 5, It Sounds Good, and morning line odds of 8-5. And for my third choice, it is going to be the number 9, Lightning and Rain, and morning line odds of 7-2. And for the 9th and final race, it is an allowance optional claiming class going 1 mile and 1/16 distance for a $20,000 purse. For my top selection of the 9th and final, it is going to be the number 4, Ultimate High, and morning line odds of 5-2. My second choice, it is going to be the number 9, Madhya, and morning line odds of 8-1. And for my third and final choice of the 9th and final race, it is going to be the number 3, She's a Bit Sassy, and morning line odds of 15-1. For the pick 4 plays, the early pick 4 play starts in race number 2. The ticket cost is $36 for $1. For the early pick 4 in the first leg, I'm going 1, 3, 4. In the second leg, I'm going 2, 3, 5. In the third leg, I'm going 2, 6. And in the fourth and final leg, I'm going 1 and 4. Again, the cost of that ticket is $36 for $1. Excuse me. For the late pick 4, which starts in race number 6, the ticket cost is $48 for $1. For the first leg of the late pick 4, I'm going 1, 3, 4, and 6. For the second leg, I'm going 7 and 8. For the third leg, I'm going 5, 8. And then the fourth and final leg, I'm going 3, 4, 9. Again, the cost of that ticket is $48 for $1. And again, if you guys like to see some more of my selections, go to And There They Go Facebook page, where a lot of people are posting their selections. A lot of great handicappers there. There's Gary Pine, there's Laura, and others. And remember, When you're cashing with the wolf, it's howling time. Good luck, everyone, and let's make some money.